this lecture, we will store the backtesting results using some dictionary and pandas methods. So in the previous lecture, we have covered the implementation of backtesting using Python. So yeah, so let's start it. So first of all, we need to define a dictionary. So inside of that, we need to provide the deciding parameters of a stock. Like it is a breakout strategy, so for that range is important, and this entry time, exit price, and entry price, and name of the stock. So these values I have added inside the dictionary. So for every trade exit, we will save all the entry price, exit price, and these values of a stock in the dictionary object. So you can see here, like in this line of code, the trade is exiting. So at this point, we have saved the entry price, exit price, entry time, range, PNL in a dictionary object, and we have added it inside a list. So this list we have initialized with null, like empty. Similarly, we will, whenever there is exit, we will save these values and add it in the list. So yeah, here also I have done it, and here also I have done it. And at the last, what I need to do, when the trade will exit, I will convert this list into a data frame, and after converting it into a data frame, we will save it into a CSV file. We can name any name here with .csv notation, and this is a method to CSV. It converts a data frame into a CSV file. So these two things will save a backtesting CSV file in this folder, and it will have all the details. Yes, so let it run it, you will get to know. Yeah, you can see that one file is added in this folder. Let me open it. So you can see that we have all the trades, and every trade information is stored, like entry price, exit price, profit and loss, entry time, exit time. Yes, everything is stored. So let's add one more element here, like cumulative profit. Or yeah, so what is the importance of cumulative profit? Like at the end of the time, we will able to know what is the total amount of profit. So using that, we will able to know it's overall profitable or not. So let's add it here. Okay, this is the total PNL. So here we will add just copy paste from here. It's equal to total profit. It's little bit slow. Yeah, now these things we will add everywhere. Remove this line of code, it's not necessary. Okay, so it's done. Yeah, let's run now. It's done. So you can see that here is the cumulative profit. So in this case we can store all the backtesting data in a CSV file. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.